Hey everyone, my name is Gabriel. I'm an amateur race car driver. I compete in Spec Miata, sanctioned by the SCCA here in Southern California. I want to create a more video presence of my racing endeavors as I journey through it. I do already have posted in-car footage of my racing for this past year. Please check it out. I want to start off by doing an unboxing of my new driver cooling system. The cooling system is by Chillout Systems. It is their Quantum V3 cooler. So I just want to do a quick, short, and sweet unboxing. Nothing specific, but ultimately I do plan to do an install video here in my Miata race car. Stay tuned for that. Hope you enjoy the video. Here is a unboxing of my Chillout System cooler V3. I got some nifty stickers here to go on the car. These will be going on my Spec Miata. Stay tuned for those. Let's see here. More stickers. Here we have the cool shirt. So this is the Pro Touring in a cream color. So hopefully this will fit me just right. This is a large. Here we have the Coolant Formula, as you can see. So this will get mixed into some distilled water and be poured into the cooler itself. Chillout Systems Rapid Release Kit. This right here is insulated cooling hose. So this is what connects to the cooler to the rapid release kit to the shirt. And here we have our fancy NACA duct. It is a 4-inch carbon fiber. And then we have our Quantum Pro remote control. More fabulous stickers. This is our carbon fiber 4-inch Duct Plenum. So this is what will be used on the side of the cooler to force air through. This is an AC power connector, so when I'm not using the car's power, I can directly plug it in and plug it to a power source, such as when hanging out in the paddock and not running the car. Sorry if it's a little dark, but there's a power cord in there. And then this one I have to set down for. Alright guys, I pulled the cooler out and here she is, the Quantum V3 by Chillout Systems. Super excited to get this installed, hopefully in the next couple days. Stay tuned for a potentially setup on how to, or at least what I'm doing to put everything together in my Miata. I know everyone's a little bit different, but I figured I'd do a video on this. Thanks. See you next time.